Okay, I have this bouncer since July 7, I think, July, and Saru, that's not the way you use it. Okay, and it's what it is. It's just like the pictures and the video is comfortable, and for my baby girl is comfortable. But to be honest, today is the first time. Wait, yes. Today is the first day I put the battery here, and this is what I don't like it. First, it's like, can you see how this vibrates? Like, brrr. I mean, I don't know if it's just mine or it's everybody have the same problem. I don't know, but I guess I'm gonna put some like something here. And look, yes, but my baby like it. It's comfortable. Yes, it is comfortable. And it's pretty and it's easy. I have this for upstairs and I have another one, but it's another brand here downstairs.
This baby bouncer is so easy to assemble. These can be taken off through the back and it is washable. It comes with the toy bar that is removable, so you can use the baby bouncer just like that if you want to. Comes with seatbelts, so baby's more secure. It has non-slip at the bottom. It doesn't slip away easily. But I really love it since my baby is just here so happy and I'm bouncing while I'm doing other stuff.
Okay. Spin. See? And this spin too. And this is spin too. Fast.
Cuckoo? Cuckoo, Jane. Cuckoo.
Yes.